Are you ready for your first question?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. Can pigeons fly?
No. Yes. Yes, they can.
That is correct. For your first prize, you get matte black powder coat.
Okay.
Are you ready for your second question?
I am.
Let's get after this. Is a button sometimes red?
Of course.
That is correct. For your second prize, you get a tool set.
All right. Thank you.
Are you ready for your third and final question?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. What is the original height of the Pyramid of Khufu?
1,400 feet?
It is 1,400 feet. Your final answer.
Yeah.
Okay, that is incorrect. The correct answer is 146.6 meters or 481 feet. Thank you so much for playing. Thank you, sir.
All right.